Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our discussion. Today, we're sharing a real experience we went through recently on the road, an accident that caught us completely off guard.
Yeah, it's a story about how quickly things can go wrong, even when you're trying to be careful. We hope this helps remind everyone to stay alert.
Absolutely. So let's check some keywords. Accident, an unintended incident that results in damage or injury, typically occurring on the road. Reckless driving, operating a vehicle with a blatant disregard for safety, such as speeding or running red lights. Distracted driving, driving while engaged in activities that divert attention from the road, like using a phone. Red light, a traffic signal indicating that vehicles must stop. Running a red light is a traffic violation. Swerve, to make a sudden sharp turn to avoid an obstacle or collision. Impact, the act of collision or hitting something. Airbags, safety devices in cars designed to inflate quickly during a collision to protect passengers. Scene, the location where an incident, such as an accident, occurs. Police report, a document filed by law enforcement describing the details of an incident. Insurance claim, a request made to an insurance company for coverage or compensation after an incident. Medical checkup, a health assessment performed by a doctor to evaluate injuries or health concerns. Evidence, information or material used to prove or disprove components of an incident. Traffic violation, an act that breaches traffic laws such as running a red light or speeding. Defensive driving, a driving strategy that involves anticipating potential hazards and reacting safely. Legal action, steps taken through the legal system, like filing claims or lawsuits after an incident. Responsibility, the obligation to act carefully and follow laws to ensure safety. Wake-up call, a situation that serves as a warning or lesson to increase awareness or caution. Contact info, phone numbers or other contact details exchanged for communication purposes. Okay, continue to our conversation. Jamie, I remember that we were just driving through downtown. It was rush hour, a typical busy day.
Yes, the traffic was heavy, but moving steadily. I was looking at the GPS, trying to figure out the fastest way home.
I remember feeling a bit distracted because of the weather. It had rained earlier and the roads were wet. I slowed down a bit, but still felt like I was in control.
I noticed that the traffic lights were green, and everything seemed normal. We weren't in a hurry, just trying to get home safely.
Yeah, and I was about to make that left turn onto Oak Avenue. The light for us was green, and I was starting to accelerate a little.
I was just keeping an eye on the cars around us, making sure no one was speeding or doing something weird.
Suddenly, out of nowhere, I saw a car coming from the side, a silver sedan. It looked like it was running the red light.
My stomach dropped. I yelled, "Alex, watch out!" right at the last second.
I saw it too. I slammed the brakes hard, but it was just too quick. I tried to steer away, but there wasn't enough time.
That's when everything just went crazy. Screeching tires, the impact, and a sickening jolt.
That was so sudden. I still can't believe it happened.
Yeah, I can't either. Are you okay, Alex? Your head, did you hit anything?
I don't think so. My head's okay, but my hands are trembling. That was terrifying.
Same here. I saw the other car coming right at us. I thought it was going to hit us full force.
The impact was so strong, I felt the car jolt to one side. Honestly, I thought we might actually overturn.
Me too. And I was worried about the airbags deploying, but I'm glad they did. Saved us from worse injuries.
Yeah, they did their job.
My chest feels sore, though. I think I got a little jolt.
I hit my arm on the door pretty hard. I think I'll need to get checked out later.
We should probably stay here and not move the cars until the police arrive. Better to let them document everything.
Agreed. And I think I saw someone pull over a little while ago. Maybe a witness?
Yeah, good idea. We should stay calm and wait for the authorities to handle it. I can't believe how quickly this happened.
It's a reminder of how fragile safety can be on the roads. 1 second distracted or reckless, and everything changes.
Absolutely. I just keep replaying it in my mind, trying to make sense of what went wrong.
I keep thinking about the driver. Were they distracted, maybe rushing, or worse, under the influence?
Whatever the reason, running the red light is serious. That's a dangerous mistake.
We'll have to give a statement when the police come. I hope they catch whoever did this.
Me too. We need to make sure they're held accountable so no one else gets hurt.
And I think we should get checked out at a hospital, just to be safe, even if we feel okay now.
That's a good idea. Sometimes injuries don't show up immediately, and it's better to be safe.
Yeah, and I'll also go over everything with my insurance. We need proper documentation for all of this.
Same here. I'll take photos of the scene and the damage just in case it's helpful later.
Good plan. Let's stay calm, wait for the police, and keep each other safe.
Thanks, Jamie. I really appreciate you being here. Honestly, this could have been a lot worse.
Same here. It's a hard lesson, but one will remember. Drive carefully, always.
Absolutely. From now on, no distractions. Focus and stay alert, no matter what.
Well, I guess that's everything for now. We've given our statements, and the police will handle the rest. It's a relief to know they're on it.
Yeah. Now we just need to focus on what comes next. Getting the cars checked, going to the doctor if needed, and sorting out insurance.
Do you think the other driver will be caught? Or will they just disappear?
I hope they're caught. Running a red light isn't just reckless, it's dangerous. They could have caused something much worse.
Yeah, I keep thinking about what could have happened if the impact was different, or if we hadn't reacted so quickly.
It's a scary reminder of how quickly things can change. We really need to stay vigilant, especially with wet roads and bad weather.
Absolutely. I think from now on, I'll be more cautious about distractions too. No more looking at my phone while driving.
Same here. I've learned how dangerous that can be. We all need to stay focused.
Do you think it's a good idea to see a doctor, just to make sure everything's okay physically?
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Even if we feel fine now, injuries can hide. Better safe than sorry.
I'll book an appointment tomorrow. Also, I think I should notify my insurance today, just to start the process.
Good idea. I'll do the same. We should take lots of photos of the scene, the damage, and any details that might help.
Exactly. Keeping track will make things smoother once the claims process begins.
I also want to check if there are any traffic camera recordings of the intersection. That might give us more proof.
Yeah, gathering as much evidence as possible. I read that it helps a lot when filing claims and police reports.
And I'll make a list of everything that happened so I don't forget any details when we talk to the insurance.
Good plan. And let's both promise to drive more carefully from now on. This really changed my perspective.
Same here. It's a wake-up call, not just for us, but for everyone on the road.
Totally. We need to be responsible, obey signals, avoid distractions, and stay alert.
And remind others too. I'll tell my friends about this. Sometimes it takes a story like ours to get through.
Yeah, spreading awareness is important. We can't control others driving, but we can control ours.
For sure. Well, let's exchange contact info, just in case we need to follow up on anything.
Good idea. I'll send you a text with my number now.
Same here. We'll keep each other updated. Hopefully, it's all resolved quickly.
Yeah, and stay safe out there, Alex. Drive responsibly.
You too, Jamie. Thanks for being with me through this. It's not easy, but we'll get through it.
Anytime. Remember, safety first, always.